Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, English in a Easy Way. Today we're going to learn be verbs, am, is, and are. These little words sound simple, but they're super important in English. Is, are, these are the be verbs used in present tense. First up, we have am. It is a first person singular. Use when you're talking about yourself. For example, I am happy, I am hungry. Next, is. It's a third person singular. Use is with he, she, it, and name. Example, he is a doctor, she is tall, the book is interesting, John is my brother. Next, are, it is for plural subjects. Use are with we, you and they. Example, we are friends, you are amazing, they are happy. Let's practice more. Before that, note this key differences. By remembering these simple rules, you'll easily use is, are correctly. Let's start our practice session. I a student. I am a student. I from New York. I am from New York. I working hard. I am working hard. I feeling better. I am feeling better. I enjoying the music. I am enjoying the music. She studying law. She is studying law. He running. He is running. It my book. It is my book. My mom a teacher. My mom is a teacher. The coffee hot. The coffee is hot. We learning English. We are learning English. You my inspiration. You are my inspiration. They having fun. They are having fun. My parents traveling abroad. My parents are traveling abroad. John and Joe arriving this morning. John and Joe are arriving this morning. Now it's your turn. Fill in the blanks. Sarah cooking dinner. Take a moment and guess the answer. Yes, you're right. Sarah is cooking dinner. I going home. Guess the answer. Since the sentence is about yourself, so the correct verb to use is am. Yes, right. I am going home. My keys here. Did you get the answer? Keys is a plural noun, so we use the plural verb are. Hear the complete sentence. My keys are here. He a talented musician. Did you get the answer? You're absolutely correct. He is a talented musician. We exercising. We is a plural subject, so let's fit the plural verb are. Yes, you got it. We are exercising. I ready for the challenge. Guess the answer. Am. I am ready for the challenge. The water, cold. Guess the answer. Is. Yes, right. The water is cold. The kids, playing outside. Did you get the answer? Kids is a plural noun, so we use the plural verb. Are. Hear the complete sentence. The kids are playing outside. He, working late tonight. Did you get the answer? Is. You're absolutely correct. He is working late tonight. I, proud to myself. Did you get the answer? Yes, you got it. Let's complete the sentence. I am proud to myself. The airport, far from here. The airport refers to a place. Guess the answer. Is. Yes, you're right. The airport is far from here. She, married. Guess the answer. Is. Yes, right. She is married. We, watching TV. Did you get the answer? We is a plural noun, so we use the plural verb. Are. Hear the complete sentence. We are watching TV. My friends, arriving soon. Here's the clue. Friends is a plural subject. Did you get the answer? Are. You're absolutely correct. My friends are arriving soon. The sky, blue. Did you get the answer? Is. Yes, you got it. Let's complete the sentence. The sky is blue. I, looking for a new job. Guess the answer. Am. Yes, you're right. I am looking for a new job. The sun, shining. Guess the answer. Is. Yes, right. Let's complete the sentence. The sun is shining. My boss, strict. Did you get the answer? Is. Hear the complete sentence. My boss is strict. We, leaving. Here's the clue. We is a plural subject. Did you get the answer? Are. You're absolutely correct. We are leaving. They, coming over tonight. Did you get the answer? Are. Let's complete the sentence. They are coming over tonight. The store, open. Guess the answer. Is. Yes, you're right. The store is open. I, listening. Guess the answer. Am. I am listening. The book, on the table. Did you get the answer? Is. Hear the complete sentence. The book is on the table. I, taking a break. Did you get the answer? Am. I am taking a break. The city, crowded. Did you get the answer? Is. Yes, you got it. The city is crowded. U dash beautiful. Guess the answer. R you are beautiful. I dash feeling stressed. Guess the answer. Am I am feeling stressed. The meeting dash at 2 p.m. Did you get the answer? Is. Hear the complete sentence. The meeting is at 2 p.m. He dash said about the news. Did you get the answer? Is. You're right. He is sad about the news. The hotels dash fully booked. Hotels is a plural noun. Did you get the answer? Are. Yes, you got it. Let's complete the sentence. The hotels are fully booked. And that's a wrap for today. Stay tuned and improve your English skills with us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow for more English knowledge. Subscribe and hit the bell button for new updates. Keep learning and improving your English skills. See you in the next video.